We've all heard the horror stories, buying a new car only to realize it's a lemon. The headaches of constant repairs and recalls can turn a dream ride into a nightmare. That's why reliability is key when shopping for a new vehicle. Today, we're diving into the top-rated cars, trucks, and SUVs based on J.D. Power's reliability scores for 2024. J.D. Power is a trusted name in the automotive world, known for its comprehensive reliability ratings. These scores are based on initial owner feedback and long-term ownership experiences over 3 years. Vehicles are rated on a scale, with 91 to 100 being the best, 81 to 90 considered great, 70 to 80 as average, and anything below 69 as fair. Starting with the 2024 Chevrolet Camaro, with a quality and reliability score of 87, this score reflects the level of defects, malfunctions, and design flaws reported by vehicle owners, covering everything from the engine to the infotainment system. A higher score means fewer issues. When Chevrolet first launched the Camaro, it made a clear statement: a driver's car that offers performance without breaking the bank. The 2024 Camaro upholds that tradition while bringing a new level of excitement. With 8 trims available, from the base 1LS to the exhilarating ZL1, and offered in both coupe and convertible styles, the Camaro caters to a wide range of preferences. Whether you choose the 275 horsepower turbocharged inline-4 or the powerful 650 horsepower supercharged LT4 V8, you're in for an exhilarating drive. The 2024 Ram 1500. With a reliability score of 88 out of 100, this full-size truck is not just beefy but refined. It can tow up to 12,750 pounds and offers a smooth, comfortable ride. While it has great engine options, including one with up to 702 horsepower, some tech features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto aren't standard. However, it shines with excellent fuel economy and a solid warranty package. Next, we have the 2024 Chevrolet Blazer, also scoring 88 out of 100. This SUV boasts a sporty design inspired by the Camaro and comes with 2 solid engine options. However, it falls short in interior quality, with some low-rent materials and limited cargo space. Despite these drawbacks, it remains a fun and reliable ride. If you can look past the interior shortcomings, the Blazer still offers a fun driving experience with a design that turns heads. And with a reliability score of 88, you can count on it to keep you on the road with minimal fuss. The Toyota Camry is a household name for a reason. With a reliability score of 88, this sedan offers accurate steering, composed handling, and a comfortable ride. The interior is well built, and tech features are plentiful, including standard safety options like adaptive cruise control and automatic emergency braking. Inside, the Camry's cabin is well built and attractive. The first row is spacious and comfortable, while the second row offers enough room for adults. It's clear why the Camry remains a top choice for those seeking reliability and value. For those in need of power, the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD is a top contender with a reliability score of 88. Known for its towing capabilities, this truck offers a range of powerful engines, including a 6.6-liter V8. The interior is functional and well-built, making it a dependable workhorse for heavy-duty jobs. If you're in the market for a truck that can handle anything you throw at it, the Silverado 2500 HD is a top contender. The 2024 GMC Terrain is a compact SUV with a spacious cabin and a gentle ride, earning it a reliability score of 88. While it's not the most powerful in its class, with a 175 horsepower engine, it offers sufficient power for city driving and has a user-friendly infotainment system. Overall, the Terrain is a reliable and practical choice for those who prioritize comfort over power. The Nissan Titan, with a reliability score of 88, is another strong contender in the truck segment. It features a powerful V8 engine and a spacious interior, making it a capable choice for those who need a reliable work truck. Completely redesigned for 2024, the Lexus GX scores an impressive 89 out of 100. This luxury SUV combines bold styling with strong off-road capabilities. Its twin-turbo V6 engine delivers great performance, and it comes standard with 4-wheel drive, making it a reliable choice for adventurous drivers. Inside, the GX is all about luxury and comfort. The cabin is spacious, with plenty of room for passengers and cargo. The GX also comes with a 14-inch touchscreen, a premium audio system, and a host of safety features, including adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist. If you're looking for a luxury SUV that can handle both city streets and rugged trails, the Lexus GX is a top pick. The Nissan Murano, though aging, still holds its own with a reliability score of 89. It offers a comfortable interior, a decent V6 engine, and a good list of standard safety features. It's a solid choice for those looking for a reliable and comfortable SUV. The 2024 Porsche Boxster is a dream for sports car enthusiasts, scoring 90 out of 100 in reliability. With potent engine options and exceptional handling, it's a top performer. The interior is upscale and driver-focused, making it a joy to drive and own. Inside, the Boxster is all about luxury and driver-focused design. The cabin is snug but comfortable, with high-quality materials and a user-friendly infotainment system. The Boxster also comes with a host of standard safety features, making it as reliable as it is thrilling. If you're looking for a sports car that offers both performance and peace of mind, the Porsche Boxster is a top choice. The Chevrolet Equinox is a family-friendly compact SUV with a reliability score of 90. It offers a balanced ride, good fuel economy, and a user-friendly infotainment system. While some interior materials are on the cheaper side, it remains a reliable and practical choice. The Equinox comes standard with a 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 6-speaker audio system. It also includes several advanced safety features, making it a reliable choice for families. If you're in the market for a compact SUV that offers a good balance of comfort, practicality, and reliability, the Chevrolet Equinox should be on your list. The Porsche 911 is a legendary performance car with a reliability score of 91. It offers several powerful engine options and customizable trims, making it a versatile choice for any driving style. The 911 blends luxury, performance, and reliability like no other. Inside, the 911 is a perfect blend of luxury and sportiness. The cabin is beautifully crafted, with high-quality materials and cutting-edge technology. The 911 also comes with a host of advanced safety features, making it as reliable as it is exhilarating. If you're looking for a sports car that offers both performance and reliability, the Porsche 911 is the gold standard. Topping our list is the 2024 Chevrolet Corvette with an outstanding reliability score of 92. Known for its incredible acceleration and athletic handling, the Corvette offers a thrilling driving experience without compromising comfort. Its well-built interior and high-end features make it the ultimate reliable sports car. Inside, the Corvette is all about driver focus. The cockpit is snug and features a digital instrument cluster, a large touchscreen, and premium materials throughout. The Corvette also comes with several advanced safety features, making it as reliable as it is thrilling. If you're in the market for a sports car that offers both performance and peace of mind, the Chevrolet Corvette is a top choice. Whether you're looking for a powerful truck, a family-friendly SUV, or a performance machine, reliability is key. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive insights. Drop a comment below and let us know which car tops your list. Until next time, drive safe and stay informed.